I'm realistic. I expect miracles. Why not expect the best? You might think that miracles are too much, but the reality is that many things in our lives are, in fact, miracles. Start with gratitude, and slowly but surely you will see miracles in your life, both the ones that already exist and the ones yet to come. Be miserable or motivate yourself. Whatever has to be done is always your choice. It's truly a wonderful thing that we get to choose our attitude in this life regardless of our circumstances and conditions. Yes, we can complain and gripe, but what good will it do? You leave all habits behind by starting out with the thought, I release the need for this in my life. Every time you have a pattern holding you back, don't rely on willpower as it often backfires. Instead, use your awareness and mindfulness to say the words, I release the need for this in my life. It may not always work right away, but with time, consistency, and persistence, you will bring about change. There is no scarcity of opportunities to make a living doing what you love. There is only a scarcity of resolve to make it happen. Few people tap into the powers within their minds. Be one of those few who do not squander the powerful gift that is your mind. Don't die with your music still in you. Don't die with your purpose unfulfilled. Don't die feeling as if your life has been wrong. Don't let that happen to you. How many people are living lives that are unfulfilling? How many are playing it safe because that's what we were taught to do? Don't follow that path. Instead, play the unique music within you and dance to it wholeheartedly.